let's now know its features. Nokia X70 Pro 5G. Display size 6.9 inch Super AMOLED screen with 3840 by 2160 pixel resolution. Penta sensor setup, 200 MP primary lens plus 48 MP secondary shooter plus 32 MP plus 60 MP plus 8 MP depth sensor. The selfie shooter is a 64 MP lens with LED flash. Massive 7500 mAh non-removable battery with 125 watt fast charging support. Latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 900 5G mobile platform chipset as the processor. 8GB, 10GB, 60GB RAM with 256GB, 512GB of onboard storage. The new Nokia phone runs on the latest Android version 12. We hope to meet Nokia X70 Pro 5G in the last quarter of the year, or it may be late to release for future update or company issue. The Nokia X70 Pro 5G price start around $505, which is in 37,500 Indian rupee. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.